So we organized this round table. It's a closed discussion with invitees only. And we organized this as HUPFAS with the student organization SUPELS. We did something like this last year. And this year the theme was the financing of building renovation plan until 2030.
As the president of the student association, I believe that it's most important to include students as stakeholders in these types of events and include them in conversations that it also involves them not just now but also in the future, because in just a few years they will be in the job market and they won't know the current events and the most important topics.
And the goal was to put in a room all the crucial participants that are commercial banks, some public officials, industries. We had people from ESCO companies, we had people from financial sector, which is very important. And key was to get them with presentations, to get them talking about their problems and their visibility of the renovation topics that are current in Croatia.
Well, I thought it was a fascinating meeting in which government stakeholders, sector experts, technical experts, and banks came together to both appreciate the size of the investment gap that exists in Croatia in buildings renovation and discuss different policy solutions and financial solutions to address it. And I thought what was very positive is, first of all, the degree of engagement. So everybody was quite well informed. I think everybody was very much centering on a specific solution, which it sounded to me as though the government has heard very well and is indeed already working on.
So we have established this stakeholder dialogue like almost 10 years ago. So we regularly have like workshops and conferences for all stakeholders, which are investors, like it's industry, it's also government, local and central government. So we have discussed everything with them, exchange ideas and best practice.
Knowledge exchange as well as cross-country cooperation play a very important role, especially when we see more advanced EU countries and tested, I would say, products or structures which can be transferred and replicated in a context of specific country environment. Therefore, I think the IFIs, EBRD is one of IFIs, can play an important role in transferring such knowledge from other countries and supporting both public and private sector.
Well, with this particular event, I can say that this has been of a great value to me because I really have learned that a lot of things that I wanted to drive to are already being addressed by somebody else who is also well competent, and a lot has been done. I would not have known it without this networking here or without the presentation.
The main topic of the how to proceed with ESCO is very important. It's very important to proceed to work on this because in the last 12 years, while we are working on the ESCO, it's still we didn't move forward. So this is very good panel and helpful, and all congratulations to organizers to proceed to panels like this one.